Oh, holy crap. Oh my god! Hey guys, in this video I was down on a mate's property near Lake Albert, and we were using some treble hooks and we're snagging some carp in about ankle to knee high water, and we caught a couple big ones. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video.
Oh, he might be 80.
Jesus. Oh my god. Look at that.
Check that out. Big carp right here. I think he might be dead. Oh! Oh shit! Holy shit! Is this filming? Oh my god, bro! Got him in his eye, man. Holy f***.
Alright guys, just caught a bloody donkey of a carp. I've got a treble hook, snagged him in his eye with a little split shot on it. Check out this guy. He is a dog. That is a dog, bro.
Mate, that's full.
Oh,
Oh, he's got him. Oh. Oh, there he goes. Oh. Oh. Yeah, still got him. Oh. Is this still? Wait, watch out, watch out. Holy shit. Holy shit.
how is this for a dog, bro?
Oh. Got him, got him. Oh my. Holy shit. Oh. Oh, broke him off. Fuck. No. Lost the treble.
Yeah, that's a mower.
Oh my god. That's a huge mirror carp. Hang on, his belly hook. Oh my god, you barely got him.
Push him up in the thing.
Oh. Oh shit. Oh. This is a big one. Oh, oh no. You're still there. Oh, got him again, got him again. Nah, you ain't going nowhere, boy. Holy bro. Oh. 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 Still here. Bam. Bum hook. Oh, this is a big one. This is a really big one. Oh no. Here he is. Alright, we got him. Oh, he's bleeding out, he's bleeding out. Holy.
Alright guys, I just got this absolute donkey, man. I reckon it almost is 80. It's definitely my PB carp. Anyway, I'll hold him up real quick. Oh
Yeah.
Holy crap.
He's big. Look, they're everywhere.
Fuck. Alright.
Watch out, watch out. Let go, let go. Oh. Holy sh. Oh, is he a big one? Holy, here's a huge one. Wait, grab the rod, grab the rod, grab the rod. Bam! Bam! Got a dog. Got him in the eye. Oh. Now I'm happy. Oh yeah. Nice little dog, probably 50, 60 centimeters. See if we can get another one. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I got him. Oh. Holy sh. Oh, Brandon's hooked up over there. Oh, he's got a dog. Woo. Yeah, he's a pretty big boy. Oh my. Oh. Wait, look, right there.
Max, that's your carp.
Is it really? Oh. No, no, not for the butt. Oh my god, oh my god. No, 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 no. Holy shit. Dude! Look at the rod bandage, mate. Oh, how's that for a bloody donkey? Holy. Got him. Oh. Go again, bro, go again. Dogs are on the tube. Fuck, he's going again. Shit, dude, this one's not stopping. It's pulling so much line.
he's big. Fuck, they're all big.
Just put a gaff through him.
Oh, bleeding out a bit, but pretty big dog.
Oh my god. That's really deep there. Oh no! Quick, get it out, get it out.
Got him. Got him.